Okay, I'm about to head out this morning, get these tires changed, and get an alignment. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so we got the tires loaded up. We have 33 miles to go to get to the alignment and tire shop. So I hope we make it. And this is the first time I'm taking this vehicle to a shop to get maintenance other than the Porsche dealer. So we'll see how this goes. I was recommended to go to these guys versus the actual Porsche dealer. They work on Porsches and other exotic cars. They do alignments for those type of vehicles. 33 miles on these tires. Y'all see the condition of these tires. So I hope we make it. It's no issues. So this car has air suspension. Normally, I drive this car in Sport Plus mode. It don't be in Sport Plus mode, but it'll be in Sport mode. But you can set the suspension on the lower setting. So I like the way it rides. It rides more sporty. And the car sits lower to the ground. I like to drive the car in that mode. But being by the tires is the way it is, I raised it up to the normal height. And I'm wondering, is that why the tires are wearing that way? Because I always drive the car in the lower setting. So it shouldn't be, but it's a possibility. So I'm wondering that. But just for precautionary reasons, I raised the car level up to normal height. Okay, so I just pulled up my tire pressure monitoring map on my dashboard, so I can keep an eye on my tire pressures, especially the two in the front. Those are the main ones that I'm worried about. So I'll be watching that as I'm taking a journey down the road, which is about 30 miles away right now.
Exit to the right in 1 mile.
So we'll see. Also, I'll put the address in the navigation. I have a good idea where the shop is. I don't know exactly where, so I'll put it in the navigation so I'm not doing no unnecessary driving and turning around. Although the navigation sometimes take you around where you want to go.
Take the next exit to the right.
So pardon the navigation sound as it interrupts me a little as I'm speaking. But I have that on for a reason. Okay, a review of this car will be coming real soon. It'll be more or less a 5-year review, because I had this car for almost 5 years now. And that'll be coming real soon. And right now, I'm about 9 miles away, but I'm in traffic, so instead, I'm gonna take 15 minutes to get there. Tire pressure is still holding. It's just I'm in traffic right now, which is gonna take a little longer. It's 8:30 now. The shop opened at 8 o'clock, but they say it's best to get there before 10. I wanted to get there as early as possible, so I'm one of like the first customers in there, but it don't look like that's gonna happen. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it picks up really soon. Okay, I made it to my exit. I'm a little over a mile away from my destination. I'm glad it looks like I am getting off the highway for one. So that part is almost over with. I see my exit Royal Lane right here. I'm gonna take that exit immediately. Get off the highway.
In 1,000 feet, exit right.
Y'all heard that right? 1,000 feet. I will be getting off.
Exit right to exit 439.
I think if I would have went the other way, if I didn't listen to my outdated navigation, I would have got here a little quicker. It's 8:42. The guy told me as long as I'm there before 10, I should be fine. See if I got $1 or something. All I know is drugs.
Thank you for your
You're
service,
welcome.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you too.
Take care.
Destination is on your right.
Where? Right here. This looks like some old rinky dink. This look like some old rinky dink shop. I'm looking for a place to park. You know what? I'll just go up here and park. Look like there's some spots up here. I'll get my name on the list so they can get me in there. All right, y'all. YouTube, I'm here at Gary's Alignment. I have Gary right behind me. If you ever need an alignment done and you're in the Dallas, Texas area, come see Gary at Gary's Alignment. He will take care of you. He's from Lebanon. He has over 30 years of experience. He works on Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, you name it, he's done it, and he does an outstanding job, especially if you don't feel like going to the dealer. So once again, I have Gary right behind me. He's the man, he's the legend, he gets it done. All right, so make sure you check him out if you get a chance. And they got the car in fairly quickly. As you can see, it's right behind me. Let's take a look. Out here in Dallas, Texas. They're doing the four-wheel alignment right now. And then I'm gonna get the two front tires changed down. And from what I see right now, the rear tires aren't as bad as the front. So I'm definitely gonna have to change out the two front tires. That's what it looks like right there. Four-wheel alignment going down right now. Due to OSHA requirements, I can't go inside the shop, but I can film from the outside unless I'm accompanied by one of the employees. But yes, that's what it looks like. So they mainly do German vehicles here. They do everything, of course, but mainly German vehicles. All they have is Germany vehicles in Lebanon. Like he's been doing this for like 30 plus years in the United States. And they do a lot of cars from Lamborghini Dallas, as well as all the other foreign cars, German model cars. So I think it's in good hands. Actually takes some time to do an alignment. It's very time consuming. Check out that Mercedes right there. You don't see that too often. Matter of fact, I don't remember the last time I seen a Mercedes that old. Little dune buggy back there. All right, so we are all set, done. Gary's alignment says it's good to go right now. Got the tires put on, got the alignment done. Alignment was terrible. Should have got it done a long time ago, but hey, it's done now. It's done the right way. So once again, I'm at Gary's alignment, about to head back to the house. There we are, done. It's a wrap. Okay, so I made it back. The alignment seems to be pretty fine right now. New tires on the front. Everything is good. I'm gonna have to get some tires for the rear of the vehicle. So Tires America, that's the website. I saved about $80 on tires already, just on 2 tires. I saved $80. So when I purchased the rear tires, I'm going back to Tires America. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Hit that bell icon for notifications of new videos. I got more videos coming your way, so stay tuned. Let's take a look at the tires that we pulled off the front. Okay, so look at those tires right there. So as you can see, really bad on the inside. This is the inside of the tire right here and here. This is the outside, here. I could have easily got a couple of, at least 2 to 5,000 miles more on those tires if it was aligned properly. So that should tell you right there the importance of a vehicle alignment. Make sure you get your vehicles aligned and they keep alignment, because you won't have to spend money on tires, especially if your tires are expensive like mine are. It'll save you money in the long run. So make sure you keep your car in alignment, and you won't be doing this here. So once again, like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that bell icon for more notifications of videos. This needs to speed, and I'll see you on the next one.